In this lecture, we'll see how we can use Kotlin in Android Studio. Now, Android Studio 3.0 comes with Kotlin, but if you're using an earlier version of Android Studio, you can still go ahead and use Kotlin by installing the Kotlin plugin. So here's what we'll be doing. We'll be going to Configure, we'll choose Plugins from here, and next the window pops up. Over here we'll be installing the JetBrains plugin, and as you can see over here it says install JetBrains plugin. Just click on it, and then you need to select Kotlin over here, click on install, and once this gets downloaded and installed, you'll need to restart the IDE or Android Studio. And here you can see that it says restart Android Studio. Let's go ahead and do that. We'll click on restart. Now you can click on start a new Android Studio project. And here you can see that I've provided the application name as Kotlin Android Demo, the company domain over here, and then the project location. Now click on next. And here you can choose the minimum SDK version. Let's go ahead and choose Lollipop over here. And now go ahead and click on next. So here you can see the Android SDK is installed at this location, see Android SDK, and it has downloaded all the necessary packages or components. Click next. Go ahead and select the default one, empty activity. Click on next, and by default it gives a name called main activity, so let it be main activity only, and then you can click on finish. So our project is created. Now in the next lecture we'll see how we can convert the Java code to Kotlin, and we'll also see how we can configure Kotlin in our project.